Hi, I'm Terry Reagan, and you're watching a Co-op Minute. Today's topic may seem like a simple one. Corn is corn, right? Not so fast. Shelled corn is a harvested grain that can be quite complex, much more than what we realize. Shelled corn is one of our most commonly used ingredients at our feed mills. Last year alone, Protrition Feed used approximately 47,000 tons of corn. That computes to 1.7 million bushels. U.S. corn is graded according to federal standards established by the USDA, which is a reliable and transparent quality grading system. Corn purchased by Protrition Feed is transported to our facilities in compliance with the U.S. Food and Drug Administration regulations for agricultural commodities. Once received at our feed mills, the corn is inspected for test weight, damage, foreign material, and moisture. There are as many as 6 different grades of corn. At Protrition Feed, our minimum acceptable standard is U.S. No. 2 grade yellow corn. Entering harvest, farmers have a lot to think about, and mitigating risk at every growth stage of the crop is a challenge. One concern you may not consider until harvest is the potential impact of mycotoxins in harvested grain. Mycotoxins are a group of toxins produced by specific molds or fungi. Not all fungi produce toxins, and most fungi only produce toxins under certain environmental conditions. Mycotoxins can be present without the visible presence of a mold, and they can also remain in the plant after the mold is removed. There are an unbelievable 300 to 400 identified mycotoxins. The most frequent toxins present in corn are fumonisin, aflatoxin, and DON. Be confident that at Protrition Feed, we test for these toxins to ensure the corn we use at our plants is the safest it can be. Thank you for joining us in this Co-op Minute. Check back next week for more tips.